sleek and quick French twist updo on medium length hair. Start by gathering your hair in a low ponytail and comb your hair smooth. With a tight hold, wrap the hair up and around your index finger, then pinch the hair between your index finger and thumb and rotate so the hair twists up and the loop lays flat to your head at the top. Holding securely with your other hand, insert the legs of the Magic-Grip pin on either side of where you were pinching the hair before. Flip the pin up, catching some of the scalp hair, and push the pin into the hairstyle. Repeat for the other side of the top loop. Ensure all layers are tucked into the twist and secure the French twist by inserting the Magic-Grip hairpin horizontally to catch as many of the outer layers as possible. Flip the pin over, catching some of the scalp hair, and push into the twist to secure. Depending on your hair thickness, length, and layers, you may need more or less Magic-Grip hairpins to confidently secure this up style. You can experiment with where you start your ponytail and how tightly you twist the hair to create your ideal French twist up style.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.